Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix live kernel power error code on Windows 11 or 10. So guys, to resolve this issue, firstly click on start. Here type cmd, or also guys you can type here command prompt, and once you see here right click on it and run as administrator. Now here guys you have to type this command sfc space slash scan. Now once you type this one, press enter. And guys, this scanning process will take a couple of minutes, so just you have to wait for a couple of minutes. And once this complete, you have to restart your PC or laptop. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and you can resolve live kernel power error in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this method work for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.